Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send mail in Gmail. Now let's get started. First, open your Gmail apps. And after this, in here you can click on Compose at the bottom. And now you can, okay, you can got it. And after this, in here you can click the Gmail that you want to send, maybe to your friends. I want to try to my second Gmail, this one. Click on it, and after this, in here you can add the subject, maybe this is try try. Okay, and now you can click on Compass email, maybe hello. And after this, in here you just click on the send and finish. So that how to send mail at a Gmail. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.